Check out this 370Z right here. How does it feel to be gay?
I love it. I love sucking on the low. Like, is this going on YouTube or no?
Yeah.
Okay, so I really don't suck, but like if the opportunity presented to me for car parts or wheels, I would definitely go ham on some.
All right, that's enough. That's enough. Damn guys, so I just got to this little meet out here in Plano, Texas, and it already got busted, man. Cops came and ran everybody off, guys. There was like 100, 200 cars out here, and the law showed up. Y'all can see them. Damn, I just got here. These damn laws came, man, ran everybody off. They scattered like roaches.